Yes, yes, yes. Yes, nation people. We love what we see are going in the site right now at dancehall. First and foremost, we're going to say big up Ishawna. That's what I say. Because the girl have the looks, she have the solar flex physique, and most of all she have the talent on top of it. It's just that she for cook up the thing, you know what I mean, and spice it up and dish it out that the whole dancehall universe ears can cock up like an antenna. You see what I say? Yes, yes, yes. That's what I talk about. No gimmicks thing not in a Gaza nation. But here we are going right about now. Hi. Here we are going right about now. Of the world, it's not a plan. So watch what go on carefully, nation people. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know what go already when I come for represent, you know. A full effect thing. You don't know what go when we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Oh yeah, me. Watch this. A Gaza favorite. Oh yeah, me. Watch what going on the nation, people. Me say, sir, the man them not really learn certain way when them come on the internet and say, well then, them a do video about dancehall and all of them shit there. You know what I mean? Right now, we love what go on in a dancehall. You see what I deal with? Yeah. But the vlogger, when he am Rick Storm, him need to know this. Let me tell you this, Rick Storm. You can give Alkaline him credit without having to itch him up with no artist. You see what I say? Yeah. Because gimmicks thing we don't do. Give him credit without having to put him with no artist. No joke shit not there about it. So if you give Alkaline credit for the runway, beautiful look for him career, but you don't know we are real dancehall fans, and you see him like, oh, him can do the runway and him song them play, and you say, well then, it's a good look for the artist. We don't want it look even better than that international music wise, because that's all we want for the artist, for dominate international way. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not about it. And that we are deal with. So when you go do video and I give Alkaline credit for the runway, and at the same time you act like so well then you throw some words at Popcaan and I share them in any form or way. Let me tell you something. It don't ever look good, my brother. Because what you say, I totally fuckery. You hear me? Watch this. Yo. Let me tell you this, youth. Another first Popcaan I keep a show overseas. And it won't be the first Popcaan I keep a show in England. You see what I say? So we are chat about a gimmicks thing, a lollipop thing. And let me tell you this. Maybe, let me tell you this, yo. Now, it's, I mean, like, at the first annual fest, I go keep overseas. No joke shit, not about that. But that is not the first show the man keep overseas. You hear that? So if you learn that, and I try to shade the man in enough form of way. You see what I say? I got negative vibes you bring. You see what I deal with? More you know that. And Alkaline is not the first artist who keep show overseas. If you learn that and cut your gimmicks thing out, you see me, and stop. Follow up the man them You know what I mean? Like you try each and people together. Because here we are going. A regular Wayne Lonesome and run things international sound. Keep big concert all over the world. And I can bet you don't know nothing about that. The only thing you know Wayne Lonesome pan and when him come out and I do him vlog, right? I can bet you that. Yo, cut your monarchy out, yo. That's what I deal with. Because your games thing where you deal with, it not gonna work. And at them thing, why you not really too like, man? Because of the thing, people are take set for alkaline, or people are eat on him. But you not talk, one other, for try slander other artists. And the artists them have them fans. So when them rebel now, you come up with this illusion, but man, bad mind, our man fight against youth and all of them crap there. But when I say that, when you call up, other artists bumbuckler name and I try disrespect them in any form at all, That's when I say, you have to know this, things don't work one way, youth. That's when I deal with, no form of gimmicks thing in it. A real way we represent, when I represent lollipop way. You hear that? So you see a look at lollipop argument where you have, you know what I mean? That's if you keep it to you and your fans, them no gimmicks is not dead about it. Because I notice, you can't speak the truth, right? Well, you can't just speak the truth and done. It's so hard to give Alkaline him credit, my brother, without calling nobody name. That's too hard for you to do, my brother. Eh? I saw the truth hard for smoking. Eh? Eh? Or you just want for remain being a solidified and certified jockstrap sniffer. I don't know. It look like a that and want to run down. You know what I mean? How much I don't think you can sniff man the man jockstrap one time? Eh? Cut the fucking monarchy up, my brother. Too much show up on the business. Yes, what I say? A whole heap of people. A whole heap of people come out. Yes, what I say? I'm big up Alkaline for we go on the runway. You hear that? Yes, what I say? Don't mix it with nobody and try for even slander the man credit. You know what I mean? By making other people come out and do vlog or even bash him in enough form of way. And him personally never come out with them negative vibe. Yeah? I just pick it up on the head because the easiest way that you think you can get some views. Don't it? Let me tell you something. If you know Gaza thing not easy, my brother. I want to know all of them shit there, Them joke thing that we want to go on already, It can't face Gaza, No joke shit not dead about it, Remember, Gaza, is not a crew, Nah, it's not some fucking member like, oh, you have club member and them shit there, That's what I say. And it personally and certified, it's not a fucking group. Gaza a worldwide thing, my brother. You see me? I want whole nation of people you talk about. We consist of Sparta, Unruly, Eastside, Six, the whole of Africa, United States of America, Canada, Europe, etc., etc., etc. No gimmicks business, not dead about it. You see what I say? So nobody feel like you can come attach on. Not Gaza to no group business or Unruly to no group business because a worldwide thing. You hear that? Don't ever try style the man them out of them character. I mean, because you want to chat about some people are say, oh, Popcaan follow Alkaline. Oh, I follow Alkaline. At the first show this bumbuckler Popcaan keep a fucking England. Eh? Why? You never hear when fucking Popcaan and Not Nice kick off. How long was that? Eh? You never hear when Not Nice, I tell you. Eh? See a Popcaan blood clot show him go select. And that was not even the first show neither. Because after that Popcaan go back they go shell down the whole over there and sold out the blood clot arena. Just remember that. Him go to Africa and do the same thing. So cut your fucking monarchy out. You see what I say? I want to know look views. You see what I say? When you know look views, when you say the right and proper thing. Don't come out and say no foolishness and not try to shade no artist. You want to give the man him glory? Give the man him glory now, my brother. You don't have to give the man glory and step on the artist shoulder, my brother. It don't work like that. Because when man talk, you know, this is how it sound to me, you know. Man a bad mind on an artist. So it okay for uno disrespect man artist. A man leave for the artist alone, don't it? I tell you something, it don't work, sir, you hear me? Yeah, it don't work, sir. Not in a blood clot John shop and not in a dance hall. You see what I say? Every artist have them own fan base. You see what I deal with? So just know what you deal with. And Gaza thing, as I tell you, a worldwide thing, and no group shit. You hear that? So don't come ever try to act like say you can't shade the man them in enough form of way because you big up alkaline for the runway. It's when you do them thing there, you sound like a personally satches and crutches. No gimmicks thing no dead about it. A 10-star I represent. What? And you know when I represent I only Gaza way. There ain't no other way. 10-star General. Oh.